How to embed video on X, formerly known as Twitter. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can embed a video from a post on X, formerly Twitter, into your own tweet using your iPhone or Android device. In this tutorial I'm using an iOS device. If you're having Android, you can follow similar steps because the steps are the same on both of the devices. So first of all, you're going to head over and open your X application, and then you're going to select the post that you wish to embed. For example, this is the video that I wish to embed. So you're going to head over, click on this icon over here, and all you need to do is simply click on copy link. And once you have copied the link to clipboard, you're going to redirect yourself to any search engine. Right here, I'm using Safari, so you're going to paste that link down over here and press go. So you will be redirected to the posts interface over here. So what you need to do is first of all request the desktop version. To do that, you're gonna click on this over here and request the desktop access, and once you do so, you'll be able to see something like this. So you need to click on these three dots over here, and then you're going to click on embed post, and you will be redirected to another interface of publish.twitter.com. So you're going to select the embedded video over here, and then you're going to click on copy code, and once you do so, you're going to head over to your X application again and just create a new post. Click on this plus icon, and then you're going to paste that over here. Now what you need to do is simply delete all the things that you have over here except for this link. So I'm going to delete everything over here, but just leave this link be over here. So I'm going to let it be and like this, and then you can add some caption, whatever you want, something like hi, and then you're going to head over and post it. So once you have posted it, you can head over to your account. And now here you can see that the video has successfully been embedded. So that was how you can embed video on X or Twitter. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.